Hey everyone, welcome back to our Shopify tutorial series. In the first two videos, we have covered how to create a Shopify partner account, how to set up a development store, and then we added some product to our development store, and then we customized the theme using the theme customizer. Today, we are going to dive deep into the working behind the scenes. We will explore the Shopify theme files, structure, and get a brief introduction to Shopify Liquid. So buckle up and let's get started. Let's head over to our Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to online store, and in online store we go to themes. Here you will see a list of themes. Click on the action button and then click on edit code. I am opening it in a new tab. This is the same theme on which we worked in our last video. Now we are in the Shopify theme editor. You will notice various folders and files in these folders. So let's go through these folders one by one. First of all, let's go to the assets. The assets folder contains your theme CSS, JavaScript, and image files. The assets of your theme, here you can see all JS files and images and some icons, all the assets related to your theme. I will explain further about these files in the later videos and how to use these in our theme. And the second part is the layout. Let me first explain you through this diagram. The layout is a folder that holds templates for different pages like the home page, product page, and many more. Layouts are the base of the theme through which all templates are rendered. So here you can see this page, the whole of this content is shown in a layout, which is theme.liquid layout, which is our default layout. We will create a secondary layout in this video as well. You can see the layout is this whole page. So this one number shows the layout. Then all of these sections on this layout, this creates a template. We can have multiple templates for different pages, and we can have different templates for different products. Then there are section groups, like multiple sections grouped together, like in the header we group together 2 to 3 sections, and then the footer group we include 2 to 3 sections in the footer group as well. Then all these blocks you can see in this image, these are the sections, and the smaller parts in this section are the snippets. So let's go to the theme. Here is our layout. Currently there are two layout files, theme.liquid and password.liquid. Password.liquid is shown when someone will visit our store using this link. We can preview as we have already logged in. If we copy the link, let's open it in incognito. Here you can see this one. This is the layout for the password.liquid. And then we have theme.liquid file. All of the code that runs on our Shopify theme goes through this file. This file is the base of our theme, from where our theme starts. It contains like a repeatable code which is repeated on multiple pages like header, footer. You can edit this default theme.liquid file or you can create your own custom layouts. Let's just create a custom layout for now. Let's just show you that. So create a new layout, not password, based on the theme. Let's remove all the code from here. We cannot save it because there are certain elements which we need to include. So let me grab the code. Here I have put the code for this necessary to save this layout file. Here you can see it's saved now. You can see this content for header within these two curly braces. This is a Shopify object and it's required to put this inside the head tag, and it's required in the layout file, and it's placed between these head tags, and it automatically loads all the scripts or any necessary files which Shopify require or which are required for the working of apps and different Shopify functions. Then there is this content for layout file which is placed inside the body tag. The content for layout object dynamically outputs the content for each template. You need to add a reference to this object between the opening and closing of the body tag. So we have put it there. Let's now go to the config folder. Now we will go to the templates and we will go to the index.json, and here we will put our layout as theme.bilal. Let's remove these sections for now. It's clean now. Let's preview the store. Here you can see the default behavior of our theme is gone. So let's revert back the changes. Okay, so now let's go to the sections folder. In the sections folder you will find components that you can use to build your pages. I have opened the theme customizer here. All these things, this image banner, this is a section, this featured collection, this is a section. We can add a new section from here, like I want to add multi-column. This section is added. All these are section, and this footer and this header, these are section groups, and this section group contains multiple sections. Like this header section contains announcement bar, and this navigation section named as header, and then in the footer we have one section called footer. And let's go to the code. Here it is. And snippets are reusable code which we can dynamically use in our sections or templates or anywhere in the layout files. Here you can see this price. We can make a snippet for this price and style it, and then we can call that snippet at multiple instances where we are using this, or we can just make this whole product card as a snippet and then reuse it in the multiple sections. So snippets are pretty handy when you are developing your store, and you can write CSS in your snippets as well. I will explain that in the future videos. And then comes the template folder. Where it is? Yeah, here it is, templates folder. This contains all the template. This is 404, and then there is index.json, which is run on the home page from where our website starts. And then we have templates for pages, we have template for products. In Shopify 2.0, the templates are now JSON objects, JSON files, while in earlier, before Shopify 2.0, there was .liquid templates where they have a little bit of different structure. So we might come across those templates in some stores which are built earlier of the Shopify 2.0. So I will give you a brief about those as well in our future videos. And now config, these are for the settings. Here you can see this is our theme, this is theme settings. All these theme settings, these come from the file settings schema.json, and this setting data.json contain the default stylings, or whenever we change something in this style, it gets saved into this file. And then this locales file, this contains the translations. We will explore this in our future videos as well. There are two types of translations actually. One is that we use on the storefront, and the one that we use in the customizer. I will show you that in the next video, or most probably after 2 to 3 videos. Now that's it with the file structure of the theme. And now let's talk about Shopify Liquid. So Shopify Liquid is a templating language used by Shopify to load dynamic content to your store. We know that we have HTML and CSS, and the websites that we make using HTML and CSS are not dynamic. The content is static. So to load the content dynamically, Shopify Liquid is used. So it's used inside the HTML, and this Shopify Liquid helps us to coordinate with the database of Shopify. So Shopify has made objects for us, liquid objects for like JSON objects for us, and we can extract data from those objects using the Shopify Liquid. So Shopify Liquid is like the middleman between the Shopify server and the Shopify's theme, where we can extract the data from the server using Shopify Liquid and make our pages dynamic. Like this is the, let's open another product as well. We have recommendations. Here you can see the URL is, base URL is same, products. This is one template, and this is the product, choker with bead. And then same goes for this, just this handle of the product change and the page dynamically loads. If we have to make this using HTML and CSS, we will have to make multiple pages for this, but in Shopify Liquid we just create a single page and all the content dynamically loads here. So we will go through the Shopify Liquid in our next video. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. We explored the Shopify theme file structure and key folders and introduced to Shopify Liquid. In the next video, I will show you how we can create sections and snippets, and how we can use snippets in section, and how we can use sections in templates in Shopify. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.